Welcome back to Transylvania, Romania. Today's adventure is one of the greatest driving roads in the world. This is the Transfagarasan.
Lights come on, so take a good look. Soon I'll be gone. Yeah, take a picture, baby, if you won't last long. All time good, high. Don't ask me why. When I get up, the lights come on, so take a good look. Oh, 'cause soon I'll be gone. Yeah, take a picture, baby, if you won't last long. All time good, high, feels good.
See how this is like the most spectacular driving road in the world, because you have all these hairpin turns and the zigzags, and honestly this part of Transylvania looks like the Scottish Highlands. It is incredibly beautiful, but unfortunately today, I don't know if it's like every day or today's some special day, it's a Monday, but there are so many cyclists cycling this thing right now, and it makes it a little bit hard to drive because the cyclists are in the middle of the lane and they're constantly going by both lanes, and you have to dodge them, and it's a little risky, a little unsafe for them. And so I got like literally two people taking up the lane and one coming right now, and I can't drive. Check this out, Leah. See what I'm talking about? Like, you kind of get stuck and you're worried about their safety, and they're coming from every way, and you got cars passing you. So hopefully when we get over the mountain pass here, this will calm down a little bit. But y'all, the scenery here, the nature is incredibly beautiful. So the Transfagarasan Highway is around 151 kilometers long. It was built between 1970 and 1974 as a military route to connect Transylvania to Wallachia. Since then, and since I think being featured in one of the best kind of driving shows in the world, it has become the most popular driving road in Romania and probably in the world as well. The road is also only open from like July 1st until the end of October, because in the other months it's like completely snowed over and you cannot drive on it. So if you're making plans to come to Romania to drive this road, make sure you come after July 1st and before the heavy winter season.
You also can't drive at night.
Oh, you also can't drive at night.
I think we found the end of the race.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is getting busy. So we just came up the main, what I think they call the cascade, which is the just hairpins that go back and forth and helps you climb the mountain or descend the mountain. And I think we found the end of the race, y'all. It is packed with people right now. It also looks like there's some shops up here where you might be able to get some food and drinks as well. So busy today. This is crazy, man. Oh, that tour bus. Okay, they're parked. This is wild. Oh my gosh. Ooh, there's the corn. We gotta come back and get some food. How the hell do I get through here? I want to keep going to get past this, but can we go this way?
You can
In the tunnel?
go on
Tunnel?
the other side.
Yes, to the
In
lake.
the tunnel.
Yes.
You can go.
Okay.
But just wait. He's going.
Wait for the bus to move?
Yeah.
Multimesh.
He will move in the back.
Okay, thank you. Wow, this is crazy. The big coach bus blocking, and they're almost like, go to the parking and stuff. I'm like, I want to get past this and go see more and drive the Transfagarasan. He's like, okay, you can wait for everything to move. This is wild. We're free. We finally got past it. We're going into the tunnel that cuts through the mountain to get to the other side of the Transfagarasan. Woo! all these cars are waiting to get through the tunnel. Like they're stopped on this side of the pass to get through the tunnel, I think because of that race. Looks like we're gonna be on this side for quite a while. Good thing we have some road trips next. I'm getting a little bit hungry. Wow, make sure you check the official website for the Transfagarasan when you come here to see if there's a big event like this going on.
You just seem to have one single thing in mind. I'm canceling our date to save some time. So on the edge of life. Ooh, some perception of time.
We just saw our first brown bear, y'all. This bear looks a little bit nervous, maybe scared. I'm not sure. A bunch of people stopped just now, like maybe 10 cars and 5 motorcycles, and these people are standing right next to the bear taking pictures, and then a bunch of people threw it food as well, which I don't really like. All this, we're staying back a little bit, kind of watching it, but we're about to head out. The bear is beautiful. Oh, there's two. There's two bears. They're incredible. We're gonna head out now though, but yeah, when you drive this road, be careful because bears are very common coming through here and you don't want to hit one. Oh, look at them, they're so beautiful.
I gotta say, the bears are so cute. They almost are like puppy dogs. They're just so chill and sweet with their little tongues out, but I think it made both of us a little sad that like it wasn't really a natural encounter. I mean, those folks were right next to them, hand feeding them practically. And I mean, you know, I know that different countries do it differently, but we also know better than that, I'd say at this point, so don't feed the bears. Anyway, we saw bears. It was really sweet. Mixed emotions.
Cause I like the way when you're around in the morning, and I love the way that we fit out when it gets boring. You're the one I talk to when I hit my low, and I am the one when you need just somebody right by your side, a body to rescue your mind. Just somebody I'm the one to find when you need someone to rescue your mind.
They're like slowly letting people through the tunnel that goes to the mountain on the other side, on the north end of the Transfagarasan, and looks like they're starting to let people go. It's just gonna be a minute. I don't know how long we'll be here. We'll see.
Wait in line, I'll get there, we'll get there right on time. It's all within the line of sight.
Looks like we're gonna have to wait another round, y'all. Very unfortunate. Like, I will say it is beautiful out here. Like, the scenery is incredible. There's wildlife and nature, and I get why this is like the greatest driving road in the world. But man, was this a terrible day to come out here. Like, it's just been a cluster the whole time. Very unfortunate. Make sure you like look on the websites and see what's going on before you come out here.
We're just at the door to the tunnel, and it's kind of interesting. You can see the big metal doors where they normally have this closed during the winter months. But again, like Jordan said, you know, it is beautiful, but we've just witnessed some real crappy tourist behavior. Rocks everywhere are tagged with like, so-and-so loves so-and-so. We pulled over to stretch our legs, and this section of the woods was absolutely filthy with trash.
So much trash, y'all.
Absolutely filthy. People getting way too close to wildlife. Like, there's no signage. There's no signage about the bears are here. There's no signage to say beware bears, don't tag, don't litter. There's nothing. It's a free-for-all, and people are acting accordingly.
Yeah, they definitely, like, they need to have some signage out that says, like, don't speed around the bears, don't feed the bears, like, don't throw trash, don't litter, and there is, like, none, absolutely zero of that. Finally, we did it. We made it on the other side. It's busy up here at the top where all the food and drinks and everything are right after the tunnel. I think that's what was causing the backup. I think people were literally trying to get in and out of the parking lot, and it's so busy because of the event today. I did want to stop and get a corn on the cob, I'm not going to lie, but we spent so much time waiting that I'm not going to stop. We're going to keep going because we got to head to our next town, the town of Sibiu, which we'll end up showing y'all a little bit more of tonight on the farm.
Everybody could make a wrong turn. You waver and slip and you get burned. But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands in the sun. It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
Popping in with Papanosh. We have made it into the town of Sibiu. We got settled, and we're having a lovely dinner al fresco. And this is dessert, another round of Papanosh, the traditional Romanian desserts, kind of like a donut, kind of not. It's very delicious. We wanted to end the day with something sweet, since today was kind of more bitter than bittersweet. We didn't really love the Transfagarasan. Well, I should say, we didn't love our experience of it. The bike race really made things dangerous, not fun. Anyway, on a day where there's not like cyclists on every single turn, it is a beautiful driving road. The mountains are incredible. It's great. It's beautiful. Try it out. Just maybe try it on a day that's not so insane. But anyway, like I said, we're ending on a sweet note. Let's try this Papanosh. This is a little bit of a different style than we've had. It looks like crusted in something and a lot more doughy. Let's try it. This one is like totally different than the other. The first one we had was a lot more akin to a donut, dense, kind of dry. This one is quite doughy, wetter, I guess, but this one's boiled. This just in, my team is telling me that this one's boiled and not fried, hence the huge difference in texture. Both very delicious. I love the mixed berry, blueberry kind of jam they put on it. And what a way to end the day. We will see y'all in the next one for a look around the town of Sibiu. Bye.